Hi there. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to use tables tag in HTML document. So table may be used to display, for example, the pricing of the products or state or country relationship and many things like that. And we need to display basically our data into a tabular format. So to do that, let us first go through the HTML document. An HTML document is created with HTML tags and closed by the /HTML tag. It has two sections called as the head, started by the head tag and closed by the /head, and then it has the body and the /body tag. So if you want to create a table inside this body, the tag for this is table between the less than and the greater than sign, and my PHP editor has added the /table tag automatically. But if it is not added for you, then you will have to close this tag by typing the /table tag between two less than and greater than signs. Just separate it out. So this is how you create the table. Now to add the component to the table, you have to add a row, since all tables have a row. So to do that, you use a tag called as tr, and the corresponding ending tag is /tr. So this will add a row. Now we have to add a cell in here. So every table has a lot of rows, and every row has a lot of cells here. So to add the cell, all you need to do is use td tag closed by the /td and give it a name, for example USA, and in the subsequent tab you can give the price. Similarly, you can use another row which starts with tr and ends with /tr, and add the elements in there, td once again like the one we have done above, and then add the product 2 and add another cell $20. Let us run this file and check out how it looks like in our browser. So this is a Chrome browser, and if I run this, I have a table. Now you cannot see the boundaries, it's like default styled and there's no boundary around it. We will create some boundaries. So this is a table, and these are the rows of that table, and if I just select this, you can see the difference. There are 4 cells and 2 cells per row. So to add more style to that, all I need to do is add a style tag here. Basically add CSS style and close it by /style tag, and inside that I can give the whole table as some kind of border. So I'll add one border, one px solid black, for example. Save it and run it. So now my table has a border, but the rows still are not with border, so I'll just put some border on the rows. So I can give tr, and I can give a border at the bottom, for example 2 pixel solid green. Run this file once again. So as you can see, there's some problem with it. I cannot give a border to the row because tr is not recognized by the system as any valid HTML tag for the CSS. So what I can do is replace r by d, so that now the table definitions, which is the the individual cells, have the CSS. So for example, I have given it the green border at the bottom, and here is the green border, but I could not give it for the tr, and the purpose of that explanation was to show you that the row cannot have CSS attached to it. So this is a very important thing to know in your design that you cannot style the TR, but you can style the individual cells. Now if you want to give let me just bring it closer to you. So this is how a table looks like. Now what if you want to give the table heading, for example, what this column means, the product one, and what this price means. It's known to us, but for a person who is trying to visit your site for the first time and trying to understand the meaning of this will find it difficult. So to do that, you have to use a tag called as Thead. And before you do it, enclose the previous content in a tag called as tbody. Take the slash tbody out and enclose it here. So now the structure is that there is a T head and then there is a T body, and inside T body we have our information. So T head uses almost the similar syntax. So you type in the tr for a row, and instead of td use th because it is styled different by the browser, and call it product, and another th, call it pricing. Now save it and check it out. Just format it a little bit to make you understand. So table is on the top level, T head is on the second level, TR is on the third level, and TH is on the fourth level. You can see like this table, T head, TR, and TH. And when the T head gets over, the T body takes it over, and it has the similar structure. The only difference is that here it is th, and in the T body it is TT. So now let us run this file once again and check out how it works. So as you can see, there's a product and pricing columns, and they are in the bold. That means the browser has interpreted them in a slightly different manner. What if I want to add the sum total of this in the footer? To do that, I have to use another tag called as tfoot. So the moment I add tfoot, the slash tfoot is added by the editor, and inside I can write the same thing, the same tr, sorry, and inside tr I can create td. So here it is final. You can't add products, but you can add the prices. With another td you add 10 plus 20, which is $30, and show it like this. So when I run this file once again, I can get a footer. So I can style it differently to make it look like as if I have summed this these two things, 10 and 20. So this is how you create the table with T head as the header, T body as the body of the table, and T foot as the footer part of it. You can design really nice tables that I'm not going to discuss right now in this video. The purpose was just to show how table works. Thanks for watching.